What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Conus Alert, where you can get your crypto fix. I'm your host. The Ripple Van Winkle today is Friday, and the only thing that could have made it better is if it were Payday Friday. Next week, though, we'll be celebrating that beautiful payday that we look forward to every 2 weeks as we get closer to the bull run, and I can't wait. In this episode, we'll talk about Time Foundation, which means that the Time coin is moving up into the top 10. Who are they talking about? What are they doing? Hong Kong posted a Bitcoin exchange traded fund ETF, which could bring in up to $25 billion in demand. First, we'll talk about the Uniswap and the SEC. What's really going on there? Then we'll talk about the XRP price because people were ready for a volcano to rise. Yeah, you heard that right. Take a deep breath and let's start. Bitcoin $69,962. The price has gone up 4.9% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum coming at $3,541. It's currently down 0.56%. USDT and USDC both coming in at their dollar pegs as XRP is a mean lean 61 cents. It is down 0.33%. Good old stable, right, folks? Total cryptocurrency market cap $2,674,000,000,000. Now you know what check we're going to do. It's velo checking. Time 0.1262. We are waiting for this thing to get to a penny flat. That's going to be our move. Doesn't get there. I don't know, and a lot of people asking me, where can I buy it? Look, this coin is on Stellar. It's on decentralized exchange. I have not looked into the decentralized exchange just yet. Here it is, but it looks like you create an account, or it actually looks like that you can connect your Ledger wallet, Lobster wallet as well in order to buy this thing, which is interesting. So I'm going to be looking into this. I'm going to see what the new account entails. And I'm definitely going to try to get my hands on some Velo as. You can see the last 7 days. I mean, it was a freaking rocket ship from 0.009, went all the way up to 0.015. We're coming back down. I'm hoping we get this thing to flatten back out a penny. That's my buy-in. If we don't hit it, we don't hit it. Move on, but I think I got it. I got a little sneaky suspicion we're going to get there. Really, this is a moon rocket, people. It's going to do it again. I know it has before. It's coming back down, but we will get there. Alex Kopp asks, are we going to get an XRP ETF announcement today? There was a lot of talk and chatter that something was going to happen today, April 12th, with other deadlines thrown in for good measure. I haven't heard anything, so I think this is all just clickbait. I don't know. I don't think I've seen anything. And there isn't going to be an announcement about an XRP ETF. Titan Foundation teams up with Hashkey to drive crypto on ramping and Telegram. Hashkey, the foundation, the focus, and the partnership by Hong Kong in the first phase as Tan started a life as a project by Telegram was picked up by members of community from the abandoned due to its legal action from the SEC. The native token, the Tan coin, was largely unmoved immediately following the announcement. It says one of the aims of the partnership is to increase provision for an on and off ramp for crypto and fiat to Asia Pacific users of the wild service and the messaging app Telegram, which is going to be huge. But remember, back in 2018, Tan was abandoned because the SEC freaking sued them. Now, what are we looking at? Well, Tan is sitting in the top 10, folks. It's currently the 9th highest. The past 90 days is up 229, pretty much outperforming the top. Let's see, do we keep scrolling? I mean, it's outperforming the top 42 coins. I mean, the only thing that has outperformed it right now is Pepe. So it's the second largest mover in the past 90 days, but size Pepe crazy. I know, just to think you know this, CC someone who thinks that they can't come back and go at it. Bitcoin meme coin pups fueled by hype before Runes release. Ordinals and Runes are both projects by longtime Bitcoin developer Casey Ronamore, which has built trust and given users a sense of authenticity. This is pretty big, so pay attention to the hype around the upcoming Runes protocol sale. Bitcoin meme coin prices have gone up 50% in the last 24 hours. As of 11 a.m. Asian time, the meme coin was selling over 66% higher, and its market value is $560 million. There's only one lending platform out there right now, but NFTs on Ordinals are going to be huge. Okay, lending platforms are going to be huge. I know a lot of people think in RIP it's the Bitcoin network. Watch out for what's happening. Hong Kong listed a Bitcoin exchange traded fund ETF, which could bring in up to $25 billion in demand. Singapore-based Matrix Port thinks mainland Chinese investors will put billions of dollars into possibilities. Hong Kong listed spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds ETFs through the Stock Connect program. Mainland Chinese buyers could put 25 billion yuan into the potential exchange traded funds that are listed in Hong Kong that hold spot Bitcoin. I am unable to speak. More money is going to be put into Bitcoin exchange traded funds ETFs. This is exactly the right time for Bitcoin to take a small drop and then rise again. There will be $25 billion pumped into BTC. That's just how simple it is. Yesterday, we talked about the story of what's going to happen with Bitcoin. It's going to go through a parabolic rise and then a corrective move to the downside. I don't see us seeing that happen. When Bitcoin is done or ready to go into its corrective state, money flows into Ethereum, rinse and repeat. When Bitcoin is done or ready to go into its corrective state, money flows into the alt. That's how this works with the DeFi protocol. After the CCVs, a unit swap case, sushi swap fell almost 20%. I don't know why, but this seems like a buy 20 down. It's going to come back up. Listen, Uniswap isn't going anywhere. If this has any positive outcome, they'll leave New York and go abroad to show the SEC what they're made of. They made enough money. They'll pay to find right if Uniswap doesn't want to get into a crazy lawsuit against the SEC. They pay a fine, give the SEC the finger, leave the US and do business as usual overseas. Then what happens? The token's value goes right back up. This could be a quick 20 move up here, folks. Let's see where it is now. Is it under the sushi? Oh, sushi. Let's check to make sure we're in the right place. Oh, sushi, where are we? It's the central V5 system. Yes, sushi, that's right. $60, $40. I think there will be a rebound once this thing is cleared up. The all-time high is $23, and the price is going to go back up. It's like a 10 to 15x right now. Ashley Prosper Ripple is a licensed operator in 40 of the 50 US states. The last 10 states are just missing Florida, which is where they bought their last business. That's a good point. That's 49. I think this number is higher because of the XRP is about to go off like a volcano. This is going to happen. This 100 is going to cost $27. Could we get there? Maybe. Will we? I'm a very cautious number guy. First, we have the first pit stop, which is very easy, 75 cents, and I believe that's coming in a May-June timeframe. We break and hold above, and we follow the script, and we get XRP in $1.30 or higher range by the end of the year. Obviously, the higher XRP goes above $1.30 by the end of the year, the more bullish we are for Q1, where XRP is going to make its powerful move. Remember, once we break the old-time high $2.80, we can call $3 sky is the limit. That's where the fun's going to begin, because that's when we can start flirting with that $5, $7, $10, $13 range. But that is all coming early next year. We want to see May-June-ish timeframe give or take a couple of days in there above 75 and hold is the most important thing we want to see by end of the year. A hold, not well a hold above $1.30, but we want to see XRP get as high as it could possibly can by the end of the year. If that does happen, that opens up potentially even higher targets, leading us into the parabolic blow-off pop, which is scheduled to come in 2025. Folks, a lot of exciting times ahead. All you got to do is stay course washing damn hands. Wave family call is out. Be nice and kind to each other.